Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered which apps, websites, or services are connected to your Gmail account, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to see all the accounts linked to your Gmail, and more importantly, how to manage them so you can stay secure online. Stick with me until the end because this one tip could save you from a big privacy headache down the road. Step 1. Access your Google account. First, open your browser and go to google.com. In the top right corner, click on your profile picture or the initial of your account. From the drop-down, select Manage your Google account. This is your main dashboard. Think of it as mission control for everything connected to your Gmail. Step 2, navigate to Security Settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Security. This section is all about keeping your account safe, and it's where Google shows you exactly who and what has access to your data. Step 3, identify third-party connections. Now, scroll down until you find the section called Third-Party Apps with Account Access or Your Connections to Third-Party Apps and Services. Right under that, there's a link that says See All Connections. Click it. Step 4, review and manage access. Here's where the magic happens. You'll now see a complete list of every app, website, or service that's linked to your Gmail account. Take a careful look through this list. If you see something you don't recognize or a service you no longer use, go ahead and remove its access. All you need to do is click on it and select Remove Access. Why this matters: doing this regularly gives you peace of mind and reduces the risk of old, unused apps becoming security threats. It's also a powerful way to take control of your digital footprint. You get to decide who stays connected and who doesn't. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've learned how to see and manage all the accounts tied to your Gmail. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and share it with a friend who could use a quick digital cleanup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.